Hi dealers, thank you so much for taking a moment to tune in and watch this video, which I hope will help you throughout this uncertain time. The reality is, our reality has changed. Most of us, if not all, are working from home and trying to come up with ideas as to how we can keep our businesses running while the doors are closed. My name is Haley Holland, and I'm the Marketing Programs Manager here at DealerSpike. Today, I want to share some quick but effective tips to dominate your local searches and keep your online business running efficiently. So a great place to start is, what is SEM? Search engine marketing, or SEM, is a form of online marketing that promotes website visibility, primarily through paid search ads. Pay-per-click ads appear in the top slots on search engines when online browsers search for a relevant service or product. Paid ads do the heavy lifting when it comes to ranking highly on local searches. But there is more you can do to boost the value of your ads. Optimizing your ad copy attracts the right audience and drives more traffic to your website. So let's dig into ways you can achieve this. With more people at home, the total number of internet searches is on the rise. While you may not have customers physically in your dealership, you have ample opportunity to drive traffic to your online showroom and keep consumers engaged with your brand. We encourage you to keep your digital marketing efforts active. Businesses that remove marketing efforts during this pandemic will have difficulty gaining traction when consumers return to stores. Ongoing digital marketing increases your online visibility and makes your brand memorable. We understand that some businesses may have to cut back on marketing spend, but it will benefit your business in the long run to continue advertising to potential customers. And something just to keep in mind, running non-relevant ads actually puts a damper on your ad spend. But not only is it a poor use of your ad spend, but it can be a missed opportunity to connect with new potential buyers. So let's take a second look at how your ad copy reflects current circumstances in your region. Keep in mind that any aggressive sales-focused headlines may not be appropriate in this environment. Call to actions such as shop now or visit today are not likely to resonate with potential customers if they are stuck at home or the dealership is not accepting walk-in business. Instead, focus on ads that promote brand loyalty, or perhaps take the opportunity to market your service and parts department. While you're writing your ad content, take a moment to check the overall tone of your ad. Consider the message you're trying to convey with your ads and their respective landing pages. Being mindful of how your ad copy reads is crucial during these uncertain times. Ads referencing safety, family vacations, or trips may remind users unpleasantly of the current pandemic and reduce clicks on your ad. However, I do recommend advertising uplifting stories your customers have shared with you that could positively influence a future interaction with a customer. Perhaps focus your ads around creative ways to shelter in place or practice safe social distancing. If you have any active ads referring to family trips, gatherings, or upcoming trade shows, then you should adjust your ad copy as many people have changed or canceled their events. I also want to highlight that I've seen many dealers focusing their paid media around safe social distancing practices and new ways of interacting with customers, like a post about virtual demos or at-home drop-offs and free shipping from their parts department. There are still many ways you can capture the attention of potential customers throughout this critical time with your ads. And I think this is a great opportunity to bring up audience, as while keeping your ad copies relevant and keeping a positive tone while targeting customers is vital. If you don't fully know your audience or who you're trying to target, you may not see the optimum results from your ads. So how do we resolve that? Know your audience. Even the best written ad copy will not perform well if it doesn't reach the right audience. A great question to ask yourself when publishing your search ads Are your ads landing in front of online browsers who have demonstrated an interest in your product? If not, you may need to alter your location targeting, ad schedules, or bid adjustments to reach motivated buyers during this time. So, what have we talked about so far? Knowing your audience, keeping your tone appropriate when speaking to that audience, and keep your ad content relevant to the audience that you're targeting. Because at the end of the day, we want your ads targeting motivated shoppers, yielding a higher ROI for your dealership. And with that said, I want to pivot and quickly discuss the importance of keeping your customers informed. Whether or not you're currently accepting customers into your physical dealership, you can keep customers engaged by letting them know how they can continue to interact with your business. Adjust your ads as needed to inform customers of important new services like delivery or in-store pickup. Update the hours of operation listed on Google Ads if they've changed. So in closing, I want to send a personal invitation to you all that aren't already taking advantage of our SEM services. We're here to help you in these unprecedented times to help you drive more traffic to your website and ultimately increase your lead conversions. If you'd like to schedule a demo or want to know more about DealerSpike's SEM offerings, call us at 800-288-5917. Thanks so much for listening and take care.